Creating a Facebook ad for a physical product involves several steps to effectively showcase your product, engage your target audience, and drive conversions. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a Facebook ad for your physical product. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, you can create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goal for the product ad. Common objectives for physical products include conversions, catalog sales, or traffic if you want to drive users to your product page. 4. Configure Ad Set. In the Ad Set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Consider targeting users who are likely to be interested in your product. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. Consider using automatic placements to reach users on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Create ad creative. Design visually appealing and engaging ad creative that showcases your physical product. Consider including the following elements. Product image or video. Use high-quality visuals that highlight your product from different angles. If applicable, consider creating a short video demonstrating the product's features. Ad copy. Write compelling ad copy that describes the benefits and features of your product. Clearly communicate the value proposition and include a clear call to action, e.g., shop now. 7. Highlight unique selling points. Emphasize the unique selling points of your product. Whether it's a special feature, a limited time offer, or exclusive benefits, make sure it stands out in your ad copy. 8. Include pricing and offers. If applicable, include pricing information and any special offers or discounts. Transparency about pricing can increase user trust and interest. 9. Add a call to action button. Include a relevant call to action, CTA, button on your ad, such as Shop Now, Learn More, or Get Offer. The CTA button directs users to take the desired action. 10. Utilize the Shop Now feature. If you have a Facebook shop or a product catalog, use the Shop Now feature to link directly to your product page. This creates a seamless shopping experience for users. 11. Implement A/B testing. Test different ad creatives, headlines, ad copy variations, and CTA buttons to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your approach based on performance data. 12. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your product is showcased effectively and that the ad looks compelling on both desktop and mobile. 13. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once you're satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 14. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 15. Engage with users. Respond to comments and messages on your ad. Engage with users who show interest or ask questions about your product. Building a community around your product can enhance its success. 16. Implement dynamic ads. If you have a product catalog, consider using dynamic ads to automatically show users the most relevant products based on their interests and behavior. 17. Use carousel ads. Carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple products within a single ad. If you have a product line or related accessories, use this format to feature different items. 18. Leverage user-generated content. If customers have shared photos or positive reviews of your product, consider incorporating user-generated content in your ads. This can build credibility and authenticity. 19. Create urgency. Encourage a sense of urgency by incorporating limited time offers, flash sales, or exclusive deals. Communicate that the offer is time-sensitive to drive quicker conversions. 20. Retarget interested users. Create custom audiences based on users who engaged with your product ad. Retarget this audience with follow-up ads or reminders to encourage them to complete a purchase. So that's it. See you in the next videos.